ka samla pule ke balatip kerteng kum ka Barilang Pyngrope keladawa badi ban penkelano ya ka bhah thungkam thungjam ke balatip kum ka reservation policy kat kum ka policy bhah thungkam jong ka jila kalong 60% na kementa ki garo bat kumba 60% na kementa ki khasi jantia kat kum ka samla Barilang Pyngrope ka badang pule ya ke MSc horticulture kalaong baka jing bhah thungkam thungjam kadei banlong mar karjuh na kementa ki jaj ban riu garo khasi bat jantia kani ka samla kelas dang ni kani ke jing dawa rengkat ke jing krishan ki babun hadien ke jing yoi ya ke jing dawa na UMLA uba edelbat nongrum
kuble ya phi barok sa shisien de klai tho yang ngadi Bari Pyngrope ngadi tang student na kani kadi de ngadi present pat ya ka jing dawa ten ya ka reservation policy amdan kam shot tharai belle shata namar ba phisia barok atep ya ka reservation policy but hila ya pen sa phrang ya kata ka message de nga shukwa ben kren khandet da phareng manta. Hello everyone, I would also like to welcome my Garo community. As I've stated before, this is not against any community. Instead, I urge the Garo community to join us, to support us for this cause, for the reservation change policy. It's time for the reservation policy to change. For 50 years, it has been remained the same. So thank you for stepping forward, and I ask you to please support us for our cause. We would do the same for you. The Shaban sedang aku ben yatho bang ay kani ka press conference. Ben yatho no ya pisia baka ching ya ki pisia ki youth kala mentoy. De ha ka sni sa chan 29th menta ubne yen ya le no ya ka signature campaign. Shaban yatho ba pisia phang ka signature campaign nam la reklam ra pan pau ka ching ay ngo ya ubli bal ayala mi baro kat kani ka thong khaman bet ba arpan masdang ya kani ka reservation policy phi de na iba adelbert badet ya I penmi ya to ka reservation policy bet santali ki issues na kataw ken nga sayo men cm ben shna ka to ka video ha YouTube ba phi ya tep ma te ngamla khlam da sngo ngo ya ba adelbert ai ni kani kala balai patte ya pisa khana samla baro khot henga da sngo ngo shisha jing shisha te that was just a video banga pen raise awareness rate ka ching support pisa ka ching ka shan chong pisa khantam kishan rang na khlam dor ba kishan rang kin support yang kat nei hi I mean sien ki comments ki ching ka shan banga khlam la ban pen pau ka ching sngo pisa baro khot see there will be a healthy competition between all the youth Garo Khasi Jaintia. There will be an equal very healthy competition. So this is why I want to change, and even you support that. So please, I urge even the Garo community, come forward on Saturday this 29th at 11 in Maukhar taxi stand. Come stand with us, because if you face any issue in the future, we promise that we will stand with you. This is not a fight against community, it's against the government. Why is it silent to us? Tanggata met khamtam kirang phisala ong bato se bariya chkhamat ngin one support ye phe so kanai dika urge ken what kan ran din show kanai bar khoj bacha kum nei pet kan nongi la tur shaphrang kanai ndera chingle chonga kanai dika sur phisia ki khanna samla phe ya long strong hadu kanai ba phe la poi hadu kanai ka thong what kan ran din show ni khun tambandera ban shia khun da ching shong shet one stay peacefully dang lucky mas and kamdera bangin shujo no hak it will be a very patient battle but shabar ki dakhar daki phaus nem ro ki kloy ben ya tur tengi kan ngam dera ben lip no we will get this ni de ben ya khon be sarkar tamai we khon in the right way kan ngam tep ra kat no percentage can phi that we have to respect, and we have respect kata dika bor bet ka authority chong ka legislative handre ngi tep bangila dan kam equal percentage ya ka trukom reserve ya kam ken reservation policy tanggata hai blishi bonya. Thank you very much. Of the state Meghalaya is 40% Garo, 40% Jaintia and Khasi in the same. So that was done by the previous leaders, which I respect the decision. But now we cannot give 40% Garo and 40% Khasi and Jaintia, because the population, see, we have to have an automatic response. But see, the population of the Khasi is increasing, Jaintia is increasing, so they need a distinct. Garo should have their own percentage, Khasi their own, and Jaintia their own. That is what we're fighting for. Because if Garo has 40 and Jaintia and Khasi in the same, they'll have 40. That is not at all equal, because there's a time where if the Khasi is equally, he's equally potential, but you see, we cannot get through. So that is not a loss for the Khasi community. That is a loss for the state. We will not be productive. We will not develop. We will not progress. So that is the response that we have to give. And that is a battle that we are facing and we're giving the government.